So my business without social media, the workshop that I do, I created um, a PDF version of it that shows the 18 different relationships based marketing strategies. And I had a partner that I approached about hosting my workshop. He's like, I don't really want to host your workshop, but if you had a PDF, I would share that with my email list. And so we created this very simple landing page right here. That's it. That's all there is on it. And he emailed his list yesterday, and we already have over 280 new people on my email list. And this is the PDF I created. So it kind of goes into here's the problem, why I left social media, the urgent need to break free from it, and then here's the 18 relationships based strategies all laid out. And then at the end of the PDF, there is ways that they can, work with me and take advantage of different services that I have, and then a little bio. And so this didn't take a ton of time to build. It was all created in Canva, but 280 emails so far, and he's still got another email to go out. He figures that there'll probably be 600 to 800 that'll join in total through this. So I just wanted to demonstrate the power of these signature workshops. And also, as everybody really nails down their signature workshop, mine's very nailed down because I've done it so many times, is to create a resource like this that can go with them. And this is the new opt-in for my Majik Media website. So when people go to the website, I don't know if it's going to do it right now because my cookies, but we'll see. When people go to the website, there will be a little pop-up here that is get my PDF. There it is. So get your free guide, Thriving in Business Without Social Media. So this is the new pop-up that happens when new people come to my website. And I've created a whole autoresponder series. So the first one is download the PDF. The second email is inviting people to join my next workshop that I do internally. So it sends them to that page, and that date is always changing. So there's, typically one every 4 or 5 weeks that I'm doing. The third one is to get them booking a free 15-minute coaching call for my Fridays. And then the fourth email is a whole bunch of information. I'm still working on it, but it'll be about signature workshops and giving them a whole bunch of resources to dig into signature workshops. And then the next one will be join the Magic Mind or purchase this course. So that's what I've been really excited about, to see this little test funnel with the PDF and how many people have already registered. And I did another workshop a couple weeks ago that was not hosted by somebody, but she promoted the one I did internally. And that one generated almost 200 email addresses from it. So it's so cool to just, this thing that I've been teaching that is working. It does work. It will work. You just got to follow the plan that we've laid out in the Signature Workshop series. And so I just wanted to offer more proof for the pudding there that this stuff does work.